In this video I'm going to show you how to see Reels history on Facebook. So you want to open up Facebook first, and basically these are the Reels that you watch and take a look at. So if you want to see what you've been looking at, so what you want to do is click on your profile on the bottom right. Then what you want to do is click on this gear selector icon. From there scroll down until you see activity log, and from here you can basically see a bunch of different stuff when it comes to your activities, like public posts, public tags, etc. What you do is click on the search at the top right, and you can just type in reel, and you can click on the first one, your reels. As you can see, I don't have any reels here at the moment, but here is basically where they will show up. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.